All right, good morning, everybody. Hope you're all having a good day. Hopefully, you're not a shareholder of First Republic. The company reported yesterday, and they still have problems. Now, let's just flash back to March. All right, we heard all this talk about, oh, we're backstopping it, we're bailing it out. Politicians were saying things are going to be okay. Uh, Analysts are saying things are going to be okay. But you know what's not saying that things are going to be okay? That's the stock. And as a trader, I always listen to what the stock says because stocks don't lie, right? Stocks aren't wrong. Um, this thing is trading at probably what's going to be a new low since this debacle first unfolded. Trading at 11.85 in the pre-market, and it closed somewhere around 16. So my issue with this bank is this, right? The reason why they have problems is because they have a portfolio of bonds that went down in value. Now, what makes bonds go down in value? Rising interest rates. So everyone and their Aunt Mary knows that there has been inflation. So the question is, why didn't the management of this bank hedge their portfolio? They said that they didn't have a risk manager, right, which is in and of itself kind of egregious. They didn't have one for, I think, about 9 months. But even still, that's not a good enough excuse. What about the CFO? You're the CFO of a bank. You should have some kind of financial savvy, one would think, right? Chief executive would have some kind of financial savvy. So that's the question. Why did they not hedge? I personally have no idea. I mean, it seems to me like, I mean, it's like banks. They're supposed to be conservative. You got this big portfolio, interest rates are going up. A first year business school student could tell you, well, when interest rates go up, bonds go down. So they could have gone into the futures market or the options market and bought a security that would go up in value if their portfolio went lower. This is what we call a hedge. So pretty incompetent, pretty egregious. My guess is the stock goes lower. My guess is that there's more problems in the banking sector, and we will see some more failures to come, in my opinion, over the next few months or so. All right, everybody. That's just a couple comments there on First Republic. I hope you don't own it, and I hope to see you soon.